Alright, continue. Don't remember what I was doing. Even though I literally played this a couple hours ago. But that's okay. Oh wait, why is he...
Oh my god.
Why he passed out though? He should be fine.
That's all I can do. How do you feel?
Wait, it just blended
Ethan?
into his skin.
How do you feel?
Like poop. Poopy poop. We feel like poop. Bro, I got cuts on my
I've been
knees
better.
and you didn't disinfect that.
Ethan came home completely drenched.
That's
at
why
about
the
3.
kids have that accent, because the
I
mom
asked
has
him
that
where he'd
accent.
been. He spoke about drowning the rain. He didn't make any sense. There was something.
Who can type like that? Not me. Whoa. Whoa. Stop, bro.
What's up with you, Norm? Huh? You getting cold feet? You don't like to get your hands dirty, huh? I thought you wanted to save that kid.
And I
wanna
want
save
you to
Sean
stop
Mars just as much as you
fucking
do.
do
But
that
doesn't give me
shit.
the freedom to do what the hell I like. So you're gonna
Yeah, that is
stop
abuse.
this shit right now. Cop in the city
You're
on
going
his
after the
ass.
wrong
So if he
guy.
moves, we know about it. Yes.
Damn it.
Ethan Mars is the origami killer.
Origami. He's the origami killer. Are you the origami? Do you like origami, bro? Bro, they want to close this case. I'm gonna wreck you in golf,
The balls are
bro.
in that basket. I want to know if Gordy is linked to the origami killer case in any way.
See, he pronounces origami correctly, decently,
Are you trying to buy me?
because it's working. Well, I should have asked if you guys wanted to break it, but you know what? It's too late. Oh yeah. There is a key. Wait, that's hella lucky. The second one only? Oh wait. It was I was supposed to find it. Because there's a door right here that has the code.
Are you the killer, Ethan?
Do you think my stubby pinky means I'm a killer? I have a stubby pinky and like I'm all battered up. My son's missing. You think I'm the killer? Our son better loves us after this. Why am I playing the piano? Mom, look, I finally did it. I can play the piano now.
Trypticane. The tube is on the bedside table. All I need is to take some, and the pain will go away. I should resist. This is gonna kill me. I know I can resist. I just need to stay in control and do something until it goes away.
No drugs. Alright, no drugs. No drugs. We're gonna go to the bathroom. No. Bathroom. What? No! That's not what I wanted to do. Hold on. No. No. That's not what I wanted to do. We're gonna throw it. Alright, throw it down the toilet. Come on. Let me in. Where's the toilet? I literally can't see it. Okay. Flushing down the toilet. Was that a good idea?
Manfred? Anybody home?
Or like a... Move! Bro! You're in my way. Do you have like a ringer somewhere? It's
God.
me!
Watch the front door. I'll get rid of our fingerprints from everything we touched since we came in. You better work fast. The police are going to be here any minute.
Bro, proceeds to touch more stuff. I hate you, Lauren. I hate you so much. You literally was of no help.
Taking you home. This is getting way too dangerous.
Also, you got me messed up.
Partners, remember we had it.
No, I hate you. You got me in trouble because you decided to get all touchy-touchy. Are you serious? Bruh. You're acting like a child. Seriously? You wanna die?
You're not gonna help me find this bastard to kill my Johnny. I'll do it on my own.
You didn't need to kill us for this. Run her over, run her over, run her over. Can I just like... Fine.
Lauren!
I hate you for almost crashing us. But you can keep coming. You can help.
I said 1,000 times that I don't want any junkies at my door. Hey! God,
Oh,
I'm gonna
dang.
blow your
I
brain
didn't even
out,
have any
son of a
boogies
bitch.
for that. Nice. Let this guy see his kids, man. Alright. Alright, we're not shooting.
I'm a father too. But I'm no killer.
Dude, he looks
I'll get
angry.
your prescription. Won't be a moment. Wait here.
Okay. We're
Gives
snooping.
me the creeps. I better take a look around to see if I can find anything before he gets back.
Leave. Alright. We leave. Oh! No! Why'd you say stay? I picked to leave already.
I've got the answer to your sleeping problem right here.
What? Wait. We left. But I think she smacked us.
That's all I know.
We'll continue this discussion down at the station. You're under arrest. You have the right to remain silent. Anything... Shit, not now.
No!
Anything you say can and will be...
Hey, you look like you got a problem, man.
No. No, we don't. We're good. We're all good. We're all good. We're all good. We are all fine and dandy. When did he get a new one?
Turn around.
Yeah, someone died. Someone did do a die. What the frick is he doing? See, I didn't forcefully take the drug. It's scripted.
Oh, I'll cook up the eggs while you're under the shower.
Come on, let me get to the fridge. Get me into the fridge. Crack. See, I can't tell if it's cooked or not. I guess it's
Eggs
done.
should be ready by now.
What? It just plops down. Yes, yummy scrambled eggs. Where'd you find the
I
ropes?
took the liberty of borrowing your bathrobe.
Why?
Looks better on you.
Why'd you borrow my bathrobe without asking? Bruh.
Hey, that almost looks good enough to eat.
Why you gotta roast me like this?
Lauren, wait.
You're not hungry anymore? Bro? Bro, you really gonna leave my scrambled eggs cold? Ungrateful.
Let's play hide and seek. You go and count to 20 and try to find me, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 14, 18, 20.
I cheated! I'm gonna get him. I'm sorry. He just goes, help. Yo, you're gonna stab your eye because I'm doing this. Bro, come on, I can do it, I swear. Bruh, what the heck? Sorry. What? Bruh. Sorry, I made you stab your eyes like 3 times. What? How'd it go? I did not go slow on that. Oh my god. She's not gonna have any, like, good makeup. What the heck? Y'all, this is dumb. What? Bro, this is dumb. I swear I'm doing it correctly. That's not, you don't put that on your face.
Hey, thanks for accepting my little invitation.
What is his accent? No. No. It's not allowed. Let them kiss. Do you want them to kiss? 2. I guess we kissing. Really? Are you really gonna use my injured arm as a pillow? Are you serious?
Pal. No way to go.
I made a mistake.
It's around.
Dude, I'm jumping.
Holy fuck!
Dude, I gotta save my son. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Fuck you. Is that a doorknob in the middle of the door? Wait, what?
Lauren?
I'm sorry, Scott.
Oh,
Your investigation is
Lauren,
up
I hate you.
for good.
Should've never made eggs for her. I know, right? She didn't even eat it. I'm grateful. Anything? No, not gonna call for her. Better try to get out first. Eat. Wait, am I supposed to get Lauren out? Do you have to save her? I don't have to. She ratted you out. Dude, do you want to save her? Right now, do you want to save her? No, okay, yeah. We ain't saving her. Goodbye, Lauren. That's what I did by accident anyways. Stitches get stitches. We really said, Lauren, you're dead. Dude, she didn't take our eggs. She let that dude in. She got us caught by the police. Rev, bro. Exciting. This is revenge. Oh, he did. Wait, this man has asthma. What? I should be paying attention. Sorry, dude. Bro, he's amazing.
Stay back! Don't come near me, or I'll shoot!
Not so tough now anymore. What?
Fucking
Not so tough
asshole.
now. Yeah, I think that was fine.
Please, don't. Oh! Lauren is dead! You fucking killed her!
To be fair, we didn't save her. Could have saved her. Didn't. Yeah, he definitely killed her. 100%. Are we killing him? Yes. Alright, cool.
I'll tell you everything.
Oh, I missed the chance! Wonder if I can still kill him afterwards. Let me shoot him. Come on. Ah.
No one will miss him.
Oh!
What?
A chance to shoot him?
That boy, Gordy killed. No one will miss him. Just street trash, like so many others.
You disgusting pile of shit.
I know. Let me shoot him. No! Don't leave! Shoot him!
That girl, Lauren. She was just a whore.
I get to shoot him. I get to shoot him.
Me, Shelby. I'll pay you well. Be able to have all the girls you want.
I get to shoot
Never
him.
say her name again. You hear me? Never.
No, come on! Let me shoot him. Come on. Come on. Turn around. Let me shoot.
My heart! My heart!
Okay, he old. He's having a heart attack. Leave him to die with a heart attack? Or save him? Don't give him his meds. Alright,
Quickly!
leave.
I need my pills! In that drawer! There!
We leaving. We leaving. We out. Bye. We are gone.
Shelby! Come back!
We gone.
Where are you? Come back!
Shut up all his people. He needs better guards. But it doesn't matter, because he did. Your name is Scotty. We're gathering evidence. Bruh. Oh, and Lauren's dead. She was actually one less. Her whole person gone. Oh my, he's a private detective. He uses that to collect all his evidence back. There's only one copy of that, and now his mother has it. Unless he unplugged his mother. Sean! Sean! I'm assuming he's right there with that greatest. Hello? He's monologuing. Monologue. Bro, you locked the grate. Give me the key. The cop's really just down there looking at us. Eee! See, even if he does breathe, he's probably gonna die of hypothermia. His clothes are wet. He's alive.
Save me.
If I have the option to save him, do I? Save him. Oh yeah. Okay, we're saving him. So he can be arrested. That was close. Thanks! Push me down. Push me. Ah, I freaking knew it. Ugh. Suddenly I forgot where the Q key was. You know, you can fall now. I will not go down with you. If you go down this time, you're going down. I don't care anymore.
It's ours.
We got to keep him? We have custody over Sean? Aw, he has an actual desk now. That's so cute. That's it. Yeah, I gotta go see him. Eat dinner. Whoever's watching, and it's nighttime, go eat dinner. Whoever else is watching. Go do the thing you need to do. Stay hydrated. And please follow, so I can do more of this.